Hello everyone, my name is Saumya. I welcome you all to Kalam Academy. In this video, I will be discussing the amendment by special majority. In our previous video, we have already covered the amendment by simple majority. Now, the special majority is of four types. The first one is the special majority as per Article 249. Now, this is used in the cases where we need to empower the parliament to make laws in the state list. Okay, so this is to pass the Rajya Sabha resolution to empower the parliament to make laws in the state list. Now, how do we calculate the special majority as per Article 249? It is the majority of the 2/3 of members who are present and voting. Okay, now suppose in Rajya Sabha we have 245 members, and from those members 150 are present and voting. So the 2/3 of this will be 101. 2/3 plus 1. 2/3 of 150 plus 1. This will be the majority. This will be the special majority as per the Article 249. Now let's look at the type 2. This is the special majority as per Article 368. Now these are the cases where we can apply the special majority as per the Article 368. Now how do we calculate this? This is the majority of the 2/3 members who are present and voting plus the 50% of the total strength of the house. Okay, total strength. Now suppose in Rajya Sabha we have 250 members. So 50% of this is 125. So in 125 we will add the 2/3 of the members who are present and voting. So this is how we calculate the special majority as per the Article 368. Now the cases where we can apply this are when we have to pass a constitutional amendment bill which does not affect the federalism. Okay, any bill where the state is not concerned. In the removal of judges of Supreme Court and High Court, in the removal of the Chief Election Commissioner and the CAG, in the approval of a national emergency, we require a special majority as per the Article 368 in both the houses. Okay, and in the resolution by the state legislature for the creation or abolition of the Legislative Council in Article 169. In all of these cases, we require the amendment by special majority. Now let's look at type 3. Type 3 is the special majority as per Article 368, which we just saw, plus the state ratification. That means the 2/3 of members who are present and voting plus the half of the ratification, half of the members, that means the 50% of the state legislature. And this will be by simple majority. Okay. So this is how we calculate the special majority in type 3. Now, the cases where this is applied is when we have to pass a constitutional amendment bill that is affecting the federalism. For example, the position of High Court judges, or if any case that involves the governor. Okay, any of the state provision. In that case, we also need the ratification of states. Now we have the type 4. This is the special majority as per Article 61. Now, this is used in the impeachment of the Indian President, and we calculate this by the 2/3 members of the total strength of the House. Total strength. 2/3 members of the total strength of the House. For example, in Lok Sabha, we have 552 members. Okay, so 2/3 of this is 368. So that's how we calculate the special majority as per Article 61. So these are the four types of special majority. I hope you got some clarity based on this concept. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.